Yeah. 365 days a year, we preoccupy ourselves to find life's true meaning. We indulge in relevant contradiction with steps from growth. Live life each day like it could be your last. Yeah. I'm from a place where some mothers sell their babies for crack, where young cats buy gats, shoot, never look back. Where the whites sit with the whites and the blacks sit with the blacks, but somehow we unite through the culture of rap. I'm from Brooklyn, birth of the Dodgers, Russian massages, where thugs bust guns and sons are raised without their fathers. We do away with has-beens, rock the latest fashion. The rules never rat, what you want to know or who's asking? It's the 7 habits of highly effective MCs. Y'all is pussy rap, my speech made you weak in the knees, but talk's cheap, I'm straight from the streets. I'm action-oriented when I'm screaming, kill corrupt police. I read books, reap intelligence to compromise my bad looks. I run with guard bodies and crooks, but when I rest my head at night, I'm just happy that I made it. Cause someone can take your life, be it my friends or my neighbors. Whether you police or a thug on the streets, whether you look for beef or you living in peace, whether you back down or you stand strong, bold. Yo, we never know what tomorrow gon' hold.
We can live today, but we're not promised tomorrow.
Cause I be trying to cope. I'm looking for answers, but still I'm coming up broke. They supply the red top, smack the guns and the coke. Who shot Lennon and Malcolm X, one in his throat? I'm an old soul at home, but probably young as the Pope. Reincarnated as a prophet through a symbol of hope. I move through the projects, lights, rhythm and smoke, hidden with quotes. Somebody said religion's a joke. Buried my man at 18, the cancer took him in months. He died before he lived, but once gone, I felt touched. My all learned followed the 91, 6 months apart. Project stress, blackouts, and walks in the park. People change, cause when I look back, I feel strange. Run through old flicks, our days number, turning the page. I can't go back, we learn to live with hate and respect. A tale from the heart prevailed through the pain and regret.
Whether you police or a thug on the streets, whether you look for beef or you living in peace, whether you back down or you stand strong, bold. Yo, we never know what tomorrow gon' hold.
We can live today, but we're not promised tomorrow. We can pass away, say goodbye to yesterday. We can live today, but we're not promised tomorrow. We can pass away, say goodbye to yesterday. Oh, we're not promised tomorrow. We can live today, we can live today. We're not promised tonight, we're not promised goodbye. Say goodbye to yesterday. We can live today. Say goodbye to yesterday. We can live today.
Around, they are Christian. No, they're no longer Christian. They no longer follow Jesus. They follow the devil 100%.
Sing, bitch. Young. If I don't have a mag, I get a bastard stab with a knife big as a claw from an Alaskan crab. Young, I'm down with Vinny, give me 6 weeks. All your a muscle relaxer.
I'm the mastermind with a faster rhyme. It's work, not how I pass the time. I'm the mastermind with a faster rhyme. It's work, not how I pass the time. I'm the mastermind with a faster rhyme. It's work, not how I pass the time. I'm the mastermind with a faster rhyme. It's work, not how I pass the time.
I'm music strong enough to stop a bomb. I'm putting pressure on you kids like I'm a soccer mom. Who you think I did that it was to stop Saddam? Who you think I did that it was to drop the bomb? You get your shit rocked, mom, like Mustafa Song. You blowing smoke, you motherfucker, you should cop a bomb. The 9 Taurus jam a little bit, the Glock is strong. I move brutal and use voodoo like Papa Sham. Over a billion Muslims, you can never stop Islam. Over a billion bullets shooting from the chopper's arm. The backstage filled with liquor and a lot of trauma. Cause it's been hard on Vinny since my father gone. I'm about to blow the fucking horns like it was Rosh Hashanah. This is the calm before the storm, Armageddon dawn. Carry a motherfucker head that I shredded on. I speak literally, figuratively, the prophet gone.
I'm the mastermind with a faster rhyme. It's work, not how I pass the time. I'm the mastermind with a faster rhyme. It's work, not how I pass the time. I'm the mastermind with a faster rhyme. It's work, not how I pass the time. I'm the mastermind with a faster rhyme. It's work, not how I pass the time.
You don't have to search a question. I have the purse and the murder weapon.